You always up to no good in the morning. Oh, you don't just go straight out. No, you got to annoy me. Huh? What are you doing to the phone, you turkey? Yeah, little gobbler. Get out of here. Just want to squish you. Yeah, I know. I know. You're adorable. What? What's that noise? What is going on? She's getting ready for school. Yeah. Oi, troublemaker. What are you doing? Baby. You little waddle. I just want to grab it. Get your little tongue off the phone. It's off. Is that right? Come here. Troublemaker. Go find some bugs. Don't sit there laughing at me. Huh? Is that right? Is that right, mate? Hey? Hey? Yeah, okay then. We gotta go, peeps. We gotta go. And take her to school, peeps. You gonna go play? Yeah, I know. Get out of here, mate. Look at you. Look at you. You're so much trouble in the morning. Stop it. I really have to go, Poopy. Get out of here.